So I know that you're tired of paying credit repair companies and not getting any results. I understand. I've been there before. I paid this company like $179 for months at a time and I didn't get any results. And let me tell you, I felt hopeless, I felt angry, and I felt stuck. And many of you have been through the same thing. You've paid a company and didn't get any results, or you paid somebody and it took forever to get updates, or you paid someone and they just completely ghosted you. They just act like you didn't exist and just ignored all your phone calls. But I believe that everybody deserves another chance with their credit to get a home, a car, or even some type of loan. So in the past 8 years, I've helped hundreds of clients just like you to repair their credit and build a very strong, indestructible credit profile. And so I want to tell you what makes us different from other companies. I've personally spent tens of thousands of dollars to learn credit, learn how to build a credit profile, and I've spent the time to build a strong team of professionals to work alongside me. My lead credit specialist used to work at TransUnion and in Equifax. So we know how to get the fastest results possible because we got an inside person on our team. We're one of the only companies that you'll talk to that has had someone working inside of the bureaus before. And one of the most common questions I get is, Richard, can you help me with my credit? And the answer is yes. I want you to go to www.creditrich101.com/free call and schedule your free perfect credit score consultation call with somebody from my team. We are not the cheapest company to work with, but you won't have to pay tens of thousands of dollars to learn and get your credit fixed like I did.